Citroën 2CV6 Review. Nostalgia meets the future. Welcome to VIP Auto TV, your go-to channel for the latest cars, futuristic vehicles, and AI-powered automotive insights. Buckle up and enjoy the ride. Did you know that the original Citroën 2CV was nicknamed the umbrella on wheels due to its ultra-lightweight design? Now, in 2026, Citroën has revived this legendary car with a modern twist, the Citroën 2CV6. It blends nostalgia with futuristic features, but is it really worth it? Stick around because you might be surprised at what this little car has to offer. Classic design, modern touch. The Citroën 2CV6 stays true to the classic design with its curvy, minimalist body, but adds a modern touch with sleek LED headlights and a streamlined profile. It's still compact and lightweight, making it ideal for city driving. But don't let its small size fool you. Under the hood, things get interesting. Would you prefer a classic design with modern tech, or do you like completely new designs? Let us know in the comments. Performance and efficiency. Powering this reinvented icon is a fully electric motor, producing 120 horsepower. That might not sound like much compared to today's high-performance EVs, but the 2CV6 is all about efficiency and simplicity. It has a lightweight aluminum chassis, allowing it to accelerate smoothly while maintaining excellent energy efficiency. Range: a solid 250 miles on a single charge, perfect for daily commuting and even weekend road trips. Interior: retro meets high-tech. Inside, the retro theme continues, but with a high-tech upgrade. The dashboard features a simple digital display, keeping distractions to a minimum. The seats: super comfortable, designed with sustainable materials that feel premium yet eco-friendly. Citroën has even kept the classic single-spoke steering wheel, paying homage to the past while integrating modern controls for an effortless driving experience. Technology and features. This is where the 2CV6 truly shines. It comes equipped with an advanced AI-assisted driving system, voice commands, a heads-up display projecting navigation onto the windshield, wireless charging, seamless smartphone integration, a compact yet powerful sound system, perfect for tech-savvy drivers who love a mix of classic charm and modern convenience. Safety upgrades. Unlike its 1948 predecessor, which had minimal protection, this modern version includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, emergency braking, a lightweight yet high-strength reinforced body for top-notch crash protection. Affordability. Is it worth it? The Citroën 2CV6 starts at around $25,000, making it one of the most affordable EVs in its class. That's a steal considering its blend of heritage, modern tech, and efficiency. But is it really worth it? That depends on what you're looking for in a car. If you love unique, stylish, and easy-to-drive vehicles with a nostalgic twist, this might be the perfect ride. But if you need more power, luxury, or long-range capabilities, you might want to explore other options. Final thoughts. So, what do you think? Is the Citroën 2CV6 a smart buy, or would you go for something else in the EV market? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you love learning about cars, don't forget to subscribe to VIP Auto TV for more exciting content. See you in the next video.